Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 13 odds for you. Double chance market. Let's get started. The first game we have is in Sweden where Ostiken is taking on Veberg and my prediction is home team win or draw. We have another game here in the Argentina Premier League, a game between Communication taking on Club Atletico Asuncio and my prediction here is home team win or draw. The next one we have is still in Argentina where Villa Mitre is taking on Kimberly, and my prediction is something win or draw. We have another game here in Brazil where Volta is taking on Sampaio Korea. My prediction is something win or draw. The next one we have here is in Estonia where Vimsi is taking on Tallinna. My prediction is something win or draw. We have another game here in Iran where Romanian Arak is taking on Miss Ratfajana. My prediction is something win or draw. The next one we have is a game in the Morocco, where Raja Beni is taking on Jabba Atlas, and my prediction is home team win or draw. The next one we have is in Latvia, where Lapija is taking on Dugapius, and my prediction is home team win or draw. We have move on to Tunisia, where Eto Sahel is taking on Sharfen, and my prediction is home team win or draw. The next one we have is in Kazakhstan, where Tobo Kostane is taking on Karat Almaty, home team win or draw. The next one we have is a game in Lithuania, where Minija is taking on Atmosfera. My prediction is home team win or draw. The last game we have here is a game in the Swedish league, where Hemabi Talang is taking on Barcelona, and my prediction is home team win or draw. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, where we share with you short to odds 5 to 20 odds on daily basis, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Okay, guys, I want to wish you a very happy weekend, and then I believe this game will bring you good tidings. Okay, always remember to bet responsibly. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go to Rudy's game and then select them in your own local bookie. I wish you good luck once again and have a lovely day.